The Yamaha VX Series WaveRunners deliver an exceptional watercraft experience in a versatile mid-size package that's easy to own and an absolute blast to ride on the water. There are 7 Yamaha VX models in all, each designed to meet a specific riding style. Cruising with friends, a day of tow sports, or a long-range adventure ride. And no other PWC model in its class offers the features, technology, and performance of the series' flagship VX Limited HO. VX Limited models feature the factory-installed integrated audio package with 2 waterproof speakers and 50 watts of power, plus the Limited package with a single rider tube holder, tow line, and inflation pump. Gunnel fenders protect the watercraft at the dock, as well as an included cover. New for 2024 and exclusive to the VX Limited HO and VX Cruiser HO models is the powerful 1.9-liter high-output Yamaha marine engine, now packing more displacement and stronger performance than the motor in previous year models. All VX models share a 12-foot 11-inch hull and are rated to carry 3 persons, perfect for any family outing and for towing tubes and boarders. There's enough storage to stow a day's worth of gear, including a 24.3-gallon compartment in the bow and a sizable 4-gallon watertight glove box, plus under-seat storage that's perfect for dock lines. Most models in the series feature Connext with a brightly colored LCD screen display. This is where you can customize your ride, monitor all functions, and enable a security mode to prevent unauthorized use. Yamaha's exclusive Ride dual throttle controls make low-speeding handling around the dock a breeze. Simply throttle forward with the right-hand lever and throttle reverse or decelerate with the left-hand lever. Ride provides excellent maneuverability while keeping both hands on the handlebars. Completing the handlebar controls are Cruise Assist, No Wake Mode, and Thrust Directional Enhancer, which acts like a virtual rudder at low speeds. The optional rec deck can support even more fun and adventure, from a cooler to a lounging seat and shade kit for the sandbar part. Yamaha VX Series WaveRunners offer the perfect combination of performance, technology, and versatility for an active water sports family. And best of all, every Yamaha WaveRunner is backed by exceptional customer service that helped Yamaha win more Industry Association Customer Service Index awards than any other PWC brand. To learn more about the VX series and the entire WaveRunner lineup, visit yamahawaverunners.com.